Finding fashion ideas can be something of a habit. You can find fashion ideas in the most unlikely of places if you want. It is all about bringing different elements together to create the perfect look. If you're going to look effortlessly stylish on all occasions, then you need a wardrobe that is just right. In the modern world, clothes say a lot about you, and your fashion sense has a significant effect on your personality. At a time when what people think about you matters so much, you got to put effort into dressing up. Here are some great ways you can be stylish at all events. Dressing according to the occasion is a basic modern fashion diktat you ought to keep in mind. Dressing, according to the occasion, is crucial for people to take you seriously. So while a gold black sequin dress can be just the thing to wear when you go clubbing, it will not be appropriate to wear to the workplace. Dressing well will get you the right attention of people who matter. If you are getting dressed up to attend a friend's wedding, you have to ensure that you stick to what she has requested guests to wear. So if it is a black tie event, you have to wear something that can be formal yet saucy. Formal trouser and shirts, this is a very common look you will enjoy wearing to work. It is simple and has that no-nonsense look that is perfect for the boardroom. Choosing neutral colors is the best way to create this look, and you can dress it up with accessories like a nice pair of earrings and a tie. Pencil skirts, they are also a good look for the workplace, and you can dress them up with a nice top. The good thing is that if you are able to lay your hands on a dark-colored skirt, you will be able to dress it up in different tops. It is best to choose tops that are not too bright in color for the workplace. You don't want to grab too much attention to your getup. Nice shoes and accessories, you can't go wrong with shoes and accessories. Good quality shoes and accessories for the workplace are important, and you have to make sure that none of them are too bright or shiny. Keeping the look comfortable yet chic is the right way to dress up for work. Fun and casual looks. Dressing stylishly also means that you dress up for fun. Casual dressing is all about wearing clothes which are comfortable and make you feel good about yourself. Fashion revolution is all about making fashion choices that are unique to you. Here are some cool fashion ideas for when you want to look casual. Ideal apparel, lacy camisole with a skirt. If you are in the mood to look sexy yet dainty, nothing beats lace. Lacy camisoles are all the rage and can be worn with a skirt for the casual look. It is a comfortable look that can be worn at any time of the day, whether you are window shopping or catching up with a friend for coffee. Jumpsuits are another streetwear fashion look that has everyone enthralled. They look good and they accentuate all the good things about your body. They can be a little troublesome if you want to pee, but that should not take away from the fact that they are classy and elegant. This is one fashion idea that you can make your own. Jackets, don't forget the jackets. They are what fashion revolution is about. Jackets for women are fun, and they are very different from what women previously wore. They are chic, casual, and can be very classy. From bomber jackets to ones with quirky prints all over, you can wear them to dress up the most boring outfits. The fashion effect they create is one of nonchalance. You can wear one on top of your plain t-shirts, and they are fabulous to pair with both skirts and jeans. Denims are something you can't do without if you want a pin on the casual look for yourself. Plain jeans are good, but if you really want to up the fashion inspiration quotient, then the ripped and the stonewashed styles are what you should go for. They look fun and give your fashion the edge you are looking for. Conclusion. Looking stylish effortlessly takes some effort in the beginning. But when you have got the wardrobe you need, you can easily put together outfits without so much as batting an eyelid. Fashion ideas are all about dressing for yourself and the world, and when you have the right clothes and accessories, it is easy to do.